Heart Wrenching because we're very attached to them and we've invested a lot of love and educational principles as well. This is your official
graduation.
So your graduation.
It's like being star of the week, but on a bigger scale.
Stand tall, puff your chest out.
Come on.
And every child, over the years, you can start to see personalities, you know. They'll be like kind of a jockey kid or more of a princessy girl. I have to say, in 30 years of teaching, I've never known anybody like him. When he came to school for the first time, he had such an air of acceptance and sweetness and presence. It was like, were you the Dalai Lama in your lifetime? I mean, he really just had such a sense of just everything. Nothing fazed him. Everything was a delight. You remember? And you still have that quality, that smile on your face. That's the smile. He's got a smile and more. And we are going to miss you very, very much. So we're going to sing goodbye to you, give you your portfolio for you to take home and share with your parents, and then we hope that you'll take a little hug from us. Some of us are very, very attached. I can usually handle 1 or 2 goodbyes. It's harder for me when we go to 8 or 9 or 10, which is coming up. So we'll all sing together. The ones of you who know it, join in, and the ones who don't, you're going to learn it very quickly. Goodbye, Caleb. Goodbye, Caleb. Goodbye, Caleb. We're sorry to see you go. And his parents. We hope you had a happy time. Happy time. Happy time. Hope you had a happy time. We're sorry to see you go. 3 cheers for Caleb. Hip, hip, hooray!